What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to open the server browser in Battlefield 6. If you wanna find the multiplayer server browser, here's how to get to it. First, make sure player created content is turned on cause you won't be able to join custom servers unless that option is enabled. To check it, open your settings, go to system, scroll down to show player created content and switch it to on. Once that's done, head over to the multiplayer section. You'll see a few different options here. Keep scrolling down until you reach community. Under multiplayer, you'll see a community and just below that there's experience search. Right under that, you'll find the server browser. It's a little hidden, but once you know where it is, it becomes easy to access whenever you need it. Inside the browser, you can look through all the public servers, check the rules, see the number of players, filter by map type and pick exactly the kind of match you want. This really helps when you are trying to join friends or find a lobby that matches your playstyle without wasting time. You'll also see an option at the top to host a server. Just like the previous Battlefield games, you'll need to use the portal style builder tools before you can host your own custom experience. And once that's fully set up, everything will appear right here in the server browser. That's how you find it. Hope this helps, and if it did, please like this video and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.